Welcome back. Placing your audio with a podcast host typically means that you're going to make it available through some medium like iTunes or even your website. But the question would be, what would be the best thing to do with the promotional MP3 clips that we have? For branding purposes, it may not be the best idea to send people to the Dropbox link. So in most cases, if you have a page building system, you can make your MP3 available through your website. For example, by using the paging system Optimize Press, all we would need to do is to add the element of an audio player. Once we add that audio player, the page building system will be asking for the URL for our MP3. Now, one of the things you'll find is that if you place a link into this space from a host like Dropbox or a host like Google Drive, that file will not play inside of most audio players. And so if that's the case, then you may need to find another place to host your MP3. In that case, you're going to need a web URL either from your own server or from Amazon S3 or a host like it. We're going to place a link here from Amazon S3. And what we're going to do now is we're going to now click Insert. And you'll see then that the player now appears on our page, and we can then click the audio and hear it play. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.